Alright, today I want to make yam and some sauce. Yam is like the African yam we eat. This one they bring it from the ground. This is the yam right here. I'm gonna boil it separately. I want to make some sauce. This sauce I want to blend it a little bit, season it. And I have some gizzard I want to use today. I want to try the gizzard. And also I have a fish. The fish is like a Titus fish. Today is a beautiful day, beautiful weather. So I'm gonna blend this. Just to blend it, not all the way. You need to try this at home. Just take you can use tomato paste. You can use tomato paste if you want. I just want to use peppers, atarudo. We call it atarudo, red pepper. We call it bonnet pepper. Alright, today, as I said earlier, I'm making yam. This is my yam right here. It's very good size. And I want to make some sauce on the side also. Then I have some gizzard to go with it and fish. It's so yummy, it's so good. Right now I want to put a little bit of vegetable oil right here. Just a little bit of vegetable oil. Also put my blended peppers and onions. Here I want to open the paste, tomato paste. I want to cook this sauce for like 10-20 minutes. I'm going to add the tomato, the paste inside the pot so that the pepper and the paste will all cook together. I'll cook it for like 20 minutes. So right here I have my nut cube. I always like to use nut cube. Nut cube is the best for me. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Right here we just got to stir the pot, mix it very well, make sure everything is all mixed right. I'm gonna close it. Today, the reason why a lot of us are having problems in our relationship, in our marriage, is because of a lot of us are not praying enough. A lot of us don't have faith, don't even believe. A lot of us don't even believe in Jesus. A lot of people marry for different reasons. Some people marry for money. Some people marry, just to have children. Some people marry just to be with somebody. Don't know why we even got married. So I believe every marriage without prayer cannot work. If the man is praying and the woman is not praying, both of them are not on the same page. So right now, I want to put all the fish, my gizzard. I want to mix it. Let the thing cook for a little bit. I have spinach. If you want to use a spinach leaf, I use a spinach leaf. You can use basil, scent leaf, whatever you got, you can use it. I use spinach leaf and then let it in. Right now, I want to pour this yam down. This is the gizzard right here. This is the fish. We call this one Titus or mocker. And this is the gizzard right here. Put spinach leaf. Let the thing cook for like 2-3 minutes, and it's all ready to go. Alright, this is the yam right here. I'm gonna peel it off. You peel the skin off right here. This is what we're cooking. So after this yam cook for like maybe like 20 minutes, at least 20 minutes. When I finish with this, I'm gonna rinse it. Make sure it's all clean, because sometimes you might have sand, because they brought this yam all from the ground. So you wanna make sure you wash it very well, clean it. So you can add salt to it, whatever seasoning you think is okay for you. If you want to add salt, seasoning, no, Maggi or no cubes, anyone is okay for you. You know, I was saying about as a married man, whatever happened in your house or in your home is your responsibility. As a man, whatever happened in your life is your 100% your own fault. Life don't have no excuse what you got going on. I understand life is not fair. understand you're sick. I understand things are tough on you. But can I tell you something? Life don't care. The time is going. Whatever happened in your life is 100% your problem. So the only way you can come out from that problem, for me, is only Jesus. I was nobody. When I mean nobody, nobody. But Jesus gave me hope. Even the people I think they're like family and friends, no, they're not. I believe in Jesus. So I'm telling you the truth. You might think going to school, having a degree is the best option for you. Don't quote me wrong, it's a good thing. It's a beautiful thing to go to school, But do you know the code? Do you know the codes that is holding the ocean not to even come out from the sea? We didn't go to school for that. This is not chemistry or biology. I'm telling you reality. All by the grace of God, you are passing by. So as a man, your home is your 100% what happened to it. If your wife is not listening to you, the only solution you have is to go to your prayer room and ask God why. If you don't pray and you think speaking good English will solve your marriage and your life, any married couple who don't pray, just like fighting the devil, you don't have a backup. Your backup is Jesus. So if you want to go to war, you must be ready. So marriage is not there. Right here, we gotta wash our hands. This is how the food came out. This is a blended watermelon, a nice cold blend watermelon. So this is yam right here. This is the sauce. You gotta try this at home. It's really good. You guys, next time, let me enjoy this meal. God bless.